It gives you that organic feel without feeling processed.
It saves us so much time.
It's amazing.
Revoice Pro is the ultimate toolbox for timing and pitch adjustment, for vocals and beyond. Its unique feature set helps professional engineers and producers in the music and film industries to perform corrective and creative tasks fast, ensuring the high production values needed for modern productions. At the heart of Revoice Pro is its patented APT technology, which lets producers and engineers clone the exact timing and pitch of one performance and apply it to another. This means perfectly time-aligned stacked vocals and harmonies, essential for a modern music production style, and rock-solid ADR for post-production. Beyond APT, the warp process adds further depth and power to Revoice Pro, allowing detailed manual adjustment of timing, pitch, sibilance, level, and vibrato of individual tracks to help producers craft their perfect sound. Also included is a fantastic sounding doubler that automatically creates natural sounding mono and stereo double tracks for voice and instruments. Apart from its unique features, the uncompromising sound quality ensures that Revoice Pro remains the de facto pitch and timing toolbox for so many audio professionals, consistently guaranteeing supernatural results. The audio community agrees that there is no software quite like it.
Download the demo now and try it for yourself, because you'll hear something and experience something that you've never ever experienced before on a vocal plugin.
Save hours of editing time, ensure high production values, and achieve your creative vision. Get Revoice Pro today.